Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. One of the coolest things about having this YouTube channel is that I get to interact with all these amazing people around the world. For example, last week I did a collaboration with David Hartman, who's from California, and this week I'm redrawing characters created by Gustavo Raga, who's from Venezuela and nowadays lives in Santiago de Chile. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And Gustavo created an amazing story called Blood Brothers, and today I'm making a drawing of the main characters of that storyline in my own style. So let's turn the camera around and let's get drawing. Blood Brothers is the story about two brothers that help people with supernatural problems for a price. Armand is the oldest, and after a car accident and a week in coma, he woke up with the ability to see spirits. He submerged himself into the supernatural and dragged his little brother Isaac with him. They tried to summon a demon, but something went wrong, and they revived a demon prince that possessed their father and almost killed them. The demon stole their mother's soul and left them for dead. Armand turned to alcohol, drugs and depression, trying to kill himself just to be saved by Isaac, his little brother, who grew protective of him. Armand met an old lady who helped him and started teaching him about self-control and occultism. Armand becomes a necromancer. He can control 6 souls that are sealed in his bone necklace. He can summon a lesser demon on his pet dog and control it with a ring. And lastly, he developed a series of tattoos that can channel the energy of certain demons to increase his physical abilities. But as this is hard on his body, it has to be used sparsely. Isaac is physically strong and loves weapons. He has 2 sets of tattoos on both of his arms, which make him grow stronger, faster, gain an incredible stamina and provides him with a healing factor. The dog's name is Baltico. He is a black schnauzer and he can channel the demon king of beasts, Balthazar. They all live in a small town called Santa Ana de Coro in Venezuela. If you have a problem with evil spirits or a demon, don't hesitate to call the Blood Brothers. Now the pencils are done and I'm really happy where this is going, so let's move on to the next stage, and that is inking time! Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope, Gustavo, that you liked the drawing I made of your blood brothers, and if you guys liked the drawing as well, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend, who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!